teach you how to remove the annoying Alight motion watermark for free using Capcut. If you have Capcut, yay, you're brilliant. If you don't, hurry up and install now. But before we continue, follow me on my socials. For now, just follow me on TikTok since my Instagram account got deleted. Again. But I'll just update you all when I have a new one or if ever I'll get it back. Now let's not make this intro long, so let's get started. Alright, for this video, I'll be using Somi since, she's a queen. Okay, so pretend that this really pretty picture of Somi is a gosh darn amazing edit you've ever seen in your entire life. Just pretend, okay? Now click the arrow thingy on the upper right of your screen. Make sure it's in video mode, then click export. It will then take you to a page asking you to become a member, but just click the no thanks blah blah blah, then click the X on the upper left. Now just wait for it to export. An ad appears and just exit. We don't really care. You can play your video to see how it looks and just click save. And that video is now saved in your gallery. Then click close, and on your video, click anything, literally any part of it, and split it. You can split the music, the overlays, the photo, the video, blah blah blah, as long as there's a part that's changed. Next, click on the watermark and move it to the top by pressing top. Export it the same way we exported the first video. After that, open Capcut and then click New Project. Select the two separate videos that we just made. Remove the ending. If you don't remove it, seek help. What is wrong with you? Then click Overlay, but don't actually add an overlay. Just click the second clip and an option to overlay the video appears. Drag it to align with the first clip. Now click on the overlaid clip and look for mask. When you click it, there are many options you'll see, and then there's film strip. Click that and just drag it around until the watermark disappears. Finally, export it to whatever quality and frame rate you want. And just like that, you got rid of the annoying watermark. Yay! Congratulations to you. It was so quick and easy, wasn't it? And that's it for today. Thank you all so much for watching, and thank you all so much for the support on my last videos. I couldn't believe it. I really love you all and appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and click that little bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. See you all in the next video. Bye!